If you're not using the new Google Discovery ads in South Africa right now, man, then you need to get on them ASAP. Hey guys, my name is Usnalo, South Africa's #1 drop shipper, and you already know what time it is. Let's get it. So why do I think that this works really well in South Africa right now, guys? And why do I think that it's the easiest way to earn more money using Google in South Africa in 2021? Well, firstly, guys, it means there's less competition. Remember, again, these have only been available for at least the past 8 months, and not to everybody. They've been only available to specific locations like the US and Europe. And they only started getting rolled out in South Africa, I think, over the past 3 months or 4 months or so. So again, this is very young for ads. And it means that there is, like I said, less competition. Number two, the prices of the ads are actually very low. And number three, that you will probably get better placement because there is less competition and you do not have to worry about bidding against other drop shippers or other e-commerce entrepreneurs. I mean, imagine being in the middle of someone's YouTube feed the whole day. I mean, considering that YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine after Google, that is actually amazing. So these ads are really, really, really good, and they are probably gonna make you a ton of money because of they're still new and there is less competition. So the first big takeaway I got from this is that when something is new, guys, you need to test it. And if it actually works, you need to scale it very fast before it becomes either obsolete or the prices increase. So if you're actually watching this, guys, think of the next holiday. Valentine's is actually coming up. Think of your next offer that you're gonna run on your store, and try and use Google Discovery ads and try and mimic what you've been doing with Facebook, Instagram, or your Google Display Network ads, and try to mimic that. And I'm sure you'd probably have a better, or you probably experience better results than any of those campaigns because of the things I just mentioned. And if you're looking for more information on Google Ads, purchase my ebook, my Google Ads ebook, which is available on the link on my bio for only 200 Rand. If you can't purchase on the website, you can go ahead and DM me and I am probably gonna help you. Cheers.